Good morning. Let's do this page. Say the name of the picture and write the short O vowel sound words. So look at the first picture. What is this? This is a fox. What is the beginning sound for fox? Right? What is the medial sound of this? Right? O. What is the ending sound? Fox. Right? X. Fox. The next picture is log. What is the beginning sound for log? So you write here L. What is the medial sound? Log. You write here log. What is the ending sound? G. Right here G. Log. The next picture is hop. What is the beginning sound? Right here H. Up. Hop. What is the medial sound? O. Hop. What is the ending sound? P. Right? P. The next picture is Cobb. What is the beginning sound for Cobb? Right here C. What is the medial sound? Cobb. O vowel is coming. What is the ending sound? Cobb. B. Right here B. Cobb. The next picture is dog. What is the beginning sound for dog? D. Right here D. Dog. D. Right here O. G. Dog. D. G. Right here G. Dog. The next picture is box. What is the beginning sound for box? B. Right here B. Ox. Right here O in the medial sound. Box. What is the ending sound? X. Right here X. The next picture is pot. The beginning sound is P. Pot. What is the medial sound? Right here O. Pot. What is the ending sound? T. The next picture is mop. What is the beginning sound? M. Mop. What is the middle sound? Op. Mop. What is the ending sound? Mop. This is the picture. What is the name? Top. What is the beginning sound? T. Right here T. What is the middle sound? Top. T. T. Top.